so that's Nana Kwachi, known in showbiz as Photocopy. So now Photocopy is the brand ambassador for Pure Delight. Oh nice, this is nice. This young kid is now the brand ambassador for Pure Delight. This kid, I just love him. Oh nice one. He has the vim, yeah. Salinaniadi, Akulananiadi. Wow. Nana Kwachi, now the brand ambassador for Pure Delight. Pure Delight for nom here McBerry biscuits. Company nom here McBerry biscuits. Mama signed this boy as the brand ambassador. Very nice. Photocopy. Oh, nice one.
Cascades on it.